What's good, y'all? Man, Cbr600rr here, man. I gotta get this off my chest. Some of y'all out here are just acting stupid, and it gets on my nerves sometimes, man. Some of y'all will put yourselves in a sticky situation and then be mad and point fingers at everybody else for the sticky situation you in. You know, a lot of people who drive cars, you know, they can't really sympathize with us bikers when bikers get cut off, because they're like, well, y'all are riding like assholes. Yada, 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 woody woo. And to an extent, they have a point. I saw this damn weekend, man. I'm driving my car, right? I check my mirrors. I see a motorcycle entering the freeway. I can tell by the way he's entering, he's gonna be flying, right? When he enters the freeway, I am in the right lane. I am approaching a car going slower than me, so I need to get in the left lane to execute a pass. Before I get in my left lane to execute said pass, I see that there's a truck rolling faster than I am. So I need to hurry up and make this pass if I'm gonna get over, right? So that's exactly what I do. I hurry up and make my pass. I get over in the left lane, I pass this car, truck's rolling up on my ass, just like in a situation like this. As soon as I pass the other car, I put my signal on, and I get back over in the right lane. So what the biker's doing behind me, as I'm getting in the left lane, I see him swerving, you know, dipping and diving, doing his thing, right? As I'm putting on my right signal to get over back into the right lane, he's getting back into the right lane, but he's pretty far behind me. The distance between us is probably from me to this BMW up here, right? Say I'm driving the BMW and the biker is in my position, right? So I'm getting over, but the biker, he was coming from the left lane after he just passed. So he checked his blind spot, he's coming over to the right, and he's still accelerating hard, and I'm already in the right lane. So by the time he looks up after his shoulder check, there I am. So to him, it looks like I just pulled out in front of him, which was not the case at all. Had he been looking far enough ahead, he would have seen what was going on. He would have seen that I signaled and that I didn't like get over as I was signaling. I signaled first, then I got over. He could have seen the whole situation. So the biker rolls up on me, rev bombing me and stuff, pulls up next to me, flicking me off like I did something wrong, you know, waving his hands trying to get buck with me. And you know, I had to check my ego, because my ass was hoping he pulled over, I could yank him off that bike and beat the shit out of him. Now, wouldn't that be embarrassing? But man, I was so offended. I did nothing wrong. I myself am a biker. I did everything right I could do in that situation. There was nothing better for me to do, you know? The biker wasn't the only one on the road, so I can drive my car and just hog that left lane. It would have been pointless for me to do that anyways, because then I would have been blocking the truck who was also going faster than me. But yeah, man, y'all gotta do better. If you somebody who rides like this, don't get your man panties in a bunch, because I'm saying doing stuff like that is stupid. So get mad at me in that situation, man. That looks just as foolish as you jumping into a gorilla enclosure, getting your ass beat by a group of gorillas, and then being mad at the zoo for not getting the gorillas off you in time. Yes, the gorillas whooped your ass, and the reason you got your ass whooped was because gorillas was pounding on you, but also, you could have totally prevented that gorilla ass whooping by never hopping in the enclosure. Just like that biker could have prevented rolling up on my ass too fast if he was looking far enough ahead and had a little bit better judgment. That's all I got for y'all, man. Y'all stay blessed, don't be too stressed. Man, Cbr600rr out. Peace.